Then comes chapter 3, another very big bone of contention, which is again carried out to the next bill. So whenever under these bills, जब भी आपका एक dispute resolution आता है कि पेमेंट नहीं हुआ, कोई आपका प्रोड्यूस लेके भाग गया, या कोई दो पार्टी बायर और सेलर के बीच में डिसएग्रीमेंट है, तो who will take up these disputes? So in India, any such dispute is a civil dispute. तो दो टाइप के dispute होते हैं. Criminal है, it is not a criminal act, it is just a civil act. You are not being paid the price, है ना. तो under that it comes under the civil jurisdiction, and typically if there is no other provision made, this will directly lie to the civil courts of India, district civil courts, and they get the power to take up these disputes. But यहाँ पे central government has taken that power away from the civil courts and it has given to the SDM, the state, the subordinate district magistrate, and then to the decision of this SDM, the appeal lies to the DM, and above that, I will tell you where the appeal lies. But बहुत crude लोग से अगर हम देखें तो people are being misled, highly misled, कि this is taking away the right to go to the court. तो ये बहुत बड़ा इस पूरे इशू में बहुत बड़ा ये निकल के आ रहा है. I have heard a lot of people, a lot of farmers who are misinformed, absolutely misinformed on this, and people who are misinforming them कि you have lost the right to go to the court. It is definitely not the same, ठीक है ना. Why it has been done? Because एक तो civil courts वैसे ही इतने overburdened India में, the burden is huge, the delays in cases is huge. A farmer, we cannot expect the farmer कि वो civil court में जाएगा और 10 साल तक केस ही लड़ता रहेगा. He will hire a lawyer and then he will pay huge fees to that lawyer. 10 साल तक केस चल रहा है. Why would anyone want a farmer to get into that situation? He should be given a very short redressal without money, without lawyer, without all these issues. उसको एक straight redressal मिलना चाहिए. तो with this objective in mind, government says is SDM and DM will legislate into this issue. It is a very standard practice. India alternatives. In fact, we are now taking certain classes of these cases from the civil courts and we are putting them into various other type of courts, so that the burden can be reduced and the redressal can be very speedy, right? जैसे कि the most common example you and I know is of a consumer court. The consumer disputes are now settled by the consumer court. That was civil court में नहीं जाएगा. वैसे there are certain cases that are related to, suppose let's say utilities, public utilities, आपका electricity, water, so उसके लिए अलग tribunal बन गया, या फिर कह दिया कि these bills now will be compulsory taken up by the lok adalats. So in certain classes of legislation, it is actually bodies are being made. So here the SDM DM is made as a body कि civil court से ले जाके हम SDM DM तक ले जाए ताकि आपका case जल्दी redress हो. It is nothing कि आपको justice deny हो. And the process is well defined in this bill कि there will be an attempt कि case में judgment नहीं देना पड़े. दो parties खुद ही mutually agree कर जाएं through an arbitrator कि they will settle the dispute in the presence of a neutral arbitrator. But if in 60 days that process is not completed, arbitration, discussion, a common agreement नहीं निकल पाए, then the SDM can use his jurisdiction and deliver some judgment, which then can be appealed before a DM, and then he can again act on that appeal. But because what essentially they are doing is civil court का power SDM DM को दे दिया गया है. So if someone is not satisfied with the DM's order also, it is not like the doors are closed. That is the biggest misinformation that is being spread. If DM says the farmer, if the DM rules against the farmer, then he cannot go anywhere. In the simple legal system, what happens, it also applies here, because when we define a civil court just means this district, any court which is below the level of a high court. That has also been settled in various Supreme Court judgments. Any court below the level of the high courts is a civil court. So when in this it is written कि the appeal shall not lie before a civil court. So this is the specific term that is bringing fear in the minds of the farmers, that is being used to mislead them. No appeal shall lie before the civil court means that you cannot go to a court. It just means that you cannot appeal to a civil court again, because civil court की power SDM को दी है. Now if it again goes to the civil court, then what is the purpose of delegating these powers to the SDM and DM? So now civil court goes out of the picture once a DM is giving an unfavorable decision. By the first appeal, by the second appeal, by any appeal, you can directly go to the high court. There's no issue in it. Typical civil jurisdiction. Just that civil court has been replaced by SDM and DM. Higher appeals definitely lie to the high court and Supreme Court.